Elena. I have the honor to present to you the letter of credence appointing me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Argentine Republic to the independent state of Samoa. Your Highness, as I said, I have the honor of presenting to you the letter of credence which His Excellency Alberto Fernandez, President of the Argentine Republic, has addressed to Your Highness, accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Argentine Republic to the independent state of Samoa. Your Highness will also find my predecessor's letter of recall within this document. Please allow me to take this opportunity to convey the best wishes of His Excellency President Alberto Fernandez, the Argentine government, and the people of Argentina to Your Highness, the government and the people of the independent state of Samoa. This is a very special occasion, as today our nations celebrate the 30th anniversary of the establishment of fruitful diplomatic relations. Since 1993, a brotherly bond has been created among our countries. My government is proud of the insightful and friendly relationship that the independent state of Samoa and the Argentine Republic have constructed along the way. Our two countries have cooperated on issues of mutual interest that have strengthened our bilateral relations, and we have also collaborated well in global forums on issues of relevance and importance to our respective peoples. Another aspect of our special ties is that both Argentina and Samoa are enthusiastic sporting nations who have achieved excellence in this area. We both consider sport as a crucial factor for social integration, establishing people-to-people contacts and promoting tourism and cultural exchanges between both countries. We have also the will to work closely with the independent state of Samoa to increase our collaboration in the protection of women's rights and gender equality, which are both priorities for my government, and to share lessons learned about the preservation of indigenous cultural identities. During my tenure as an ambassador to the independent state of Samoa, I will do my utmost to build on the positive work already done by my predecessors and to further enhance the friendship that our two nations have shared since 1993. With the support and assistance from Your Highness and your government, I look forward to adding my humble contribution to what I hope will be a brighter and more optimistic future for all. Fafetai Telela.
Excellency, thank you for conveying your President's well wishes, and I reciprocate through you my best wishes to His Excellency Alberto Fernandez and the people of Argentina Republic. It is my pleasure to receive your letter of credence, accrediting you as the Ambassador Designate of the Argentina Republic to the independent state of Samoa. Excellency, the Argentine Republic and Samoa have maintained steadfast and friendly ties based on the principles of trust and respect for one another ever since our diplomatic ties were established in 1993. It gives me great pleasure to receive your letter of credence today, as it's timely to do so on this 30th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. Even though Samoa and Argentina are geographically distanced, our two countries are connected through friendly relations, and I am encouraged by your commitment to fostering our cooperation and collaboration in support of the other's sovereignty and territorial integrity, connections between people, and most importantly, efforts to mitigate climate change, which is a priority and a critical issue for small island developing countries. As island nations, our people share a deep connection with our oceans and landscapes, and as stewards, we have an obligation to protect our environment and natural resources which sustain us. As we work toward our shared vision of a better world, especially in the areas of sustainable development, peace and security, and climate change, our shared membership in the UN underscores our unwavering commitment to cooperative action. I am confident that discussions we will have this week with representatives from our government will further strengthen our bilateral relations. Excellency, I have high hopes for the future of our relations, and I am certain that your appointment will result in more opportunities to collaborate on matters of mutual interests for our two countries. I'm delighted to hear that you and your family are having a wonderful time on your first trip to Samoa. Enjoy the remainder of your brief stay in Samoa, and I wish you safe travels back to Wellington. God bless.